Hello and welcome to Crafting with You, where I bring you a wide range of crafting tutorials and ideas. Today I'm going to show you how to make these super simple candy corn marshmallow pops. Halloween is just around the corner. If you need something really quick to take to a party, a school, an office, these are the way to go. So let's get started. Start with regular sized marshmallows and 6-inch lollipop sticks. Take the stick and you're going to insert it right into the middle of the marshmallow. As you insert the stick into the marshmallow, make sure you're not going in at an angle or else your sticks will end up leaning one way or the other. And when you're done, it'll look like this. Go ahead and do that with all your marshmallows. You'll need yellow and orange colored candy melts. Go ahead and melt according to the manufacturer's directions. If you find that the consistency is a little too thick, my favorite thinning medium is Easy Thin. They're just like little flakes and you just throw a few in, go a little at a time, and as they melt, they'll thin out the consistency of your chocolate until you get to the way you want it. Go ahead and take your marshmallow, and we're going to dip into the orange color first. Cover the bottom 2/3 of the marshmallow, and after you're done dipping, you're going to want to do a tap, tap, tap to make sure any excess melt is off, and then set it down on some parchment paper to solidify. Repeat this process with the rest of your marshmallows. Once the orange color has solidified, go ahead and dip into your yellow color. You're going to want to only cover the bottom 1/3 of your marshmallow. And you're pretty much done at this point. If you want to add a little more variety, you can always use sprinkles. Go ahead and dip your marshmallow into the candy melt and just add your sprinkles right on top. And here I've got 2 different varieties. And the last little detail is to add a ribbon to the lollipop stick. I just got Halloween thin ribbon from my local craft store and just tied it on there. And then you're pretty much done. Here's the final look. It looks really cool for something that took such a small amount of time. I also have a video of how to make these graveyard cupcakes coming out soon, so make sure to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Crafting with You.